Hey HIST students, one last motivational video to wrap up the semester. First of all, on Monday, which will be November 9th, I'll be holding my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time like I always do. And you have one remaining due date left. Tuesday, November 10th, your Unit 5 in Telepath is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, the semester officially ends on November 12th. So you have time to go back and do practices and revisions on your IntelliPath to improve upon your grade. And also, if you have not already turned in Unit 2 to discussion board and Unit 4 discussion board, please do so by the 12th so you can get as many points towards those incredibly important assignments and towards your final grade. Remember, the goal is to finish strong. I want you all to finish strong. So remember, it has been absolutely my honor and pleasure to be an instructor for the last 5.5 weeks. I've greatly enjoyed it. I wish you all nothing but the best in achieving your degrees and your career goals and all your future endeavors. Best wishes, everybody.